Welcome, guys, and the topic we are going to talk about now is the love jihad, Indian media, and the pro-establishment propaganda. So, why we are talking about this is that there is an incident happened in Jammu and Kashmir regarding two women, say girls, who were actually married to a Muslim community. The girls belongs to Sikh community. So naturally, there has been clashes between the two communities, and they are saying that the Muslim community boys were forcefully marrying them. So they gave a name of love jihad, and both turned into a political fight between the political entities in Jammu and Kashmir, along with the other political entities, Akali Dal, which is also a friend of BJP party. And as we all know, how the political parties exploit these kind of incidents to criminalize and to promote hatred towards each other communities like this to gain in politically. Like there's going to be elections in a region of Punjab, I think Punjab or Haryana and UP. So they wanted to exploit every opportunity that they got. So that is what they are aiming for, and actually they are gaining from the past 7 years, despite repeatedly the rest of them some of the media has been warning about this. Despite that, they are doing this. I say that maybe it's time for the Indian people to understand why these kind of incidents happens, and why these incidents are being politicized, and what are the ulterior motives behind it. If we don't learn from the past mistakes, and we are going to do that again, and India is not the country of hatred, but India is the country of unity. So we have to be united against these kind of people, to avoid such kind of people, to develop ourselves. And unfortunately, the development is also a question. And the other issue which I'm going to talk about is the media debate which has been happened regarding this, and how they are portraying the Muslim community as the culprits, or Muslim community as some of the with some fringe element support, I guess. I don't know. The media is portraying this Islam community in a bad way, so that the Sikh community, and have attraction with them, and which can help BJP to gain some votes in Punjab or Haryana or something. So what I say is that media is also part of the culprits behind these kind of incidents happening, to promote hatred and something like this. So I say we have to be aware of the media which is at present television media, which is doing all these kind of things to our Indian community especially. And the propaganda revolving around love jihad is very faintly not adequate, and it has been not proven. And yet some of the fringe elements were trying to destroy the community's unity in our country, and throwing the tantrums around it, saying that secularism is the evil, but it's not the secularism, but the ultra nationalism and religious hegemony and religious majoritarian ideology of religion. These kind of things are destroying our country, and these ideals were being propagated through the mediums like television and everything, news channels. So especially, so I say beware of these kind of people, and be vigilant about what kind of incidents are happening around you, and try to educate the people who are not educated enough to understand the scenario and what exactly been happening in the country. If you understand these kind of things, try to explain to the people, mostly the people who are voting just for 1,000 and a bottle of wine or something, I don't know. So explain to them if you can, and which will certainly help our Indian community to rise against the hatred towards the other communities. This is what I want to say. And if anybody appreciating. If anybody like to appreciate me, give a like to this video and share it to your friends. If you want to continue with me, then subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your time and have a good day.